Green Country Custom Baits. We're going to be doing a paint session for you today, Spark Shad series, and we're going to be doing the Candy Tequila, or we just call it Tequila Spark Shad. Sounds like a cool pattern. Come join me. We're going to spray some paint. I'm going to lay down some sparkle. This is Galactica Ghost Gold. Very highly pigmented colors. Okay. And that's our first layer of pearls that we're going to do. And as you know, in the Spark Shad we have several layers. That's the Galactica Ghost Gold. That stuff has got large flakes. You better have a large airbrush. Has a 0.5 and it barely got it through. Okay. So the next thing we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and lay down a little bit of white. I want the top of this bait not to be transparent. And we're going to cover that with black. Okay, so still got our pearls in there. We're going to be coming back with another pearl. Just checking to see what the temperature was. We're covering most of that black up. With a silver, because we're going to be putting the candy over the top of that. So that was a good aluminum base. Tequila. All right, now with candies, you've got to really build them up. So this is the first coat of our candy. At the same time, we're going to add another coat of pearls. Onto the side of this one, and this one is known as Sparkle Spectrum. So we're going to get yellows, we're going to get blues, we're going to get silver, we're going to get gold. Get a little bit of everything. right, we're gonna add another layer of our sparkle spectrum. Come back with our tequila. We're dry. Whoa. All right, let's see. It's looking good. I got just a little bit more tequila candy. Put down the back there. Kind of dump the rest out of that brush. Okay, so we got it finished up. Let's do a little recap of kind of what we did. Again, this is our spark shad. This is the tequila spark shad. So what we did is we started off and we mixed a transparent base with our galactic gold and put that layer of pearl down on just the clear body. Okay, that transparent base will allow the rest of that paint to adhere to that bait a little bit better. Next thing we did is we put a little bit of a white base coat down, and over the top of that we put our gloss black. Once we completed that, we used our scale netting. Again, this is just an onion bag or a garlic bag, and we laid down some aluminum base. This is the fine. In our scale pattern of choice. Over the top of that scale, we came back with our Candy 020 Tequila Yellow. And in between coats of candy, we put down Hot Rod Sparkle Spectrum. And that's going to give us two different layers of pearl flake on a transparent bait. The last thing we did was did our pearl white belly to give those bass something to really target in on, and with our black shad spot. And so there you have it. Guys, appreciate you taking the time to watch the video. Let me know what you think of the Spark series in particular. If you like this pattern and you think it'll be a great one on your lake, give me a thumbs up. If you enjoyed the how-to and the process of me just developing a pattern, this is the Tequila Spark Shad. Green Country Baits, signing out. We'll see you next week.